2007 SRT8 Dodge Charger, Big Papi SRT cam.
How do you do it? Wow, so good. How do you do it, dude?
That's a race cam for the 6.1 American Racing headers. Spring kit, obviously, push rods. We had to fix a few things. Water pump was leaking. Also got done a custom saw 3200 torque converter, and he supplied us with the Getrag 391. It was a little bit challenging as the shafts that were provided by him from eBay were incorrect. It took us a week and a half to source it out. Finally done. Launch is hard. Next video, we took it to the dyno. Have some results for you guys to share. A classic. It's actually the brother of the 300 SRT8. Something that got me involved with Mopar. So 20 years later, here we are.
So good. How do you do it, dude? I don't know, dude.